Have you ever pondered the power of unity in our global society? How about the role of a single entity that strives to maintain peace and create a balance among nations? Today, we delve into the history and significance of the United Nations, an organization that has been a beacon of hope for global unity for over 7 decades. The 24th of October, a date that might seem ordinary, holds extraordinary significance. This is the day we celebrate United Nations Day, marking the anniversary of the entry into force in 1945 of the UN Charter. This founding document, ratified by the majority of its signatories, including the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, heralded the official birth of the United Nations. Now, why does this matter? The United Nations stands out as the only global organization with the legitimacy, convening power, and normative impact to make a significant difference on a global scale. It embodies hope for countless people, inspiring dreams of a better world, and holds the potential to deliver the future we all yearn for. The urgency for all countries to unite and fulfill the promise of Nations United has never been more palpable. Every year, UN Day offers the opportunity to amplify our common agenda and reaffirm the purposes and principles of the UN Charter. These principles have guided us for 77 years, fostering global unity and cooperation. In the twilight of World War II, in 1945, nations lay in ruins and the world yearned for peace. Representatives of 50 countries convened at the United Nations Conference on International Organization in San Francisco, California. From the 25th of April to the 26th of June, they drafted and signed the UN Charter, birthing a new international organization, the United Nations. The hope was that this entity would prevent another world war, like the devastating one they had just endured. To wrap it up, United Nations Day is not just a celebration, but a reminder of our collective responsibility. It marks the birth of an organization that has been instrumental in maintaining global peace and fostering unity among nations. It's a testament to our shared dreams of a harmonious world and the steps we've taken to achieve it. If you crave more insights about United Nations Day or other global history topics, feel free to drop a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on our latest content. Remember, every voice counts in our global conversation. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay united.